Hi, I'm Crystal and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. After several postponed dates, Damian Marley is announcing the new release date for his album Stony Hill. July 21 it is for the highly anticipated 18-track project, and it's his 39th birthday. Damian spent some time in Los Angeles to kickstart his album promotion and yesterday released his single titled Medication, a collaborative effort with Stephen Raga Marley. Grammy Award-winning reggae group Morgan Heritage moved from Asia to Africa, thrilling fans on their Africadabra World Tour. The group set out on their mission to take reggae music to the four corners of the earth after launching their journey in Dubai, where they performed for the first time, releasing tracks from the forthcoming album slated for release on May 19. The album is now available for pre-order. A star-studded lineup for the Berta Records Season Change Rhythm. The project boasts a spread of positive messages while maintaining an uplifting vibe. Bugle, Chino, Kabaka Pyramid, Romain Virgo, Taurus Riley and Rocka's Element are featured on the project. The Season Change Rhythm is set for release on May 15, distributed by Zodiac Records, and will be available on all major digital platforms. Steel bands will join revelers on the Bacchanal Road March Trail this Sunday. The streets of Kingston will be ablaze with colour and glitz as revelers make their way from Ligony down Hope Road onto Lady Musgrave, then to Trafalgar. The party will then move to Waterloo, to West Kingshouse Road, and then down Constant Spring Road before culminating in New Kingston at the Gulf Academy, where the judging of the costume bands will take place. You can catch all the highlights on RETV this Sunday starting at 10 a.m. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.